Today I share with you how to cook this delicious and mouth-watering chicken stew, especially this celebration season. This is all you need to try. It was so easy to get done, and at the same time this stew is just so yummy, so sweetie. Let's see how this is being done. To begin, I'm going to be adding already raw chicken inside this pot. Next is for me to season that is this hot pepper, onions and garlic and ginger. So all I do is to blend together until it come out like this. After blending that, this is what I have to turn that on top of the chicken like this. Next is to season that with nut cube and chicken cube. So just adding the seasoning and at the same time adding salt to taste. So what I do now is to add in water that is going to enable that to cook. Just 1 cup of water is good to go. I just add that, then stir everything together so that the chicken and the spices will get combined. So once everything gets combined, I'm going to get that cover to cook for 90%. I have to cook the chicken until it's done for 90% like this. So this is me after getting that cook. It takes about 30 minutes to get this done like this. All I do is to stir together. So now I'm going to separate the chicken from the stock water like this. So don't leave the chicken inside the water, especially if you are making use of boiler. So this chicken is boiler, so I have to separate that from the stock water until I bring everything out like this. So this is the chicken. It was scenting so perfect and amazing. Over here we have the chicken stock. I keep it aside. Over here I'm going to be adding oil. Once the oil get hot, next is to add in is chopped onions, then stir that together. So I go to let the onions to fry for 2 minutes before I proceed. 2 minutes later, here I have the onions. It fries so nice at this point. Next is to add in is this tomato paste. So I make use of 1 cup of it like this. Just pour everything in. So after doing that, I stir together. So I'm going to allow this tomato paste to fry for about 10 minutes before I proceed. 10 minutes later, see how gorgeous that look. It fries so beautiful. I just love this. Now it's for us to add in this pepper mix. Over here, this is the pepper mix we are going to be needing. Red bell pepper, hot pepper, the center, ginger and garlic, and then we have onions. All I do now is to blend all this together. So this is going to serve us as the pepper mix. After blending, this is what we have. It blends so nice, and the center it comes out so beautiful. So what I do now is to turn that inside the pot of stew like this. So now I'm going to stir that and then allow this pepper mix to fry for 10 minutes before we proceed. 10 minutes later, see what we have. It fries so nice at this point, and it was just so perfect. Next is for us to add now is the tomato puree. Over here we have the tomato seed, and then we are going to blend this until it comes out this beautiful puree. See how gorgeous that look. Now I'm going to turn that inside the stew like this. So sweetie, take note of this, guys. This is just the best and the perfect way to fry your stew. Don't blend and fry everything at once. Just be getting everything done step by step. It really means a lot. So now I'm going to season that with nut and chicken cube. So I just add that cube, and the same time season that with these stew spices. Over here, I have the stew spice. I just add that, then season again with salt to taste. I make use of about 2 teaspoons because we are making a whole lot of quantity of stew here. So that is it. After adding all the spices, all I do is to stir together. I get the tomato to fry for 10 minutes like this. Oh my goodness, this tomato fries so nice. One thing about this, guys, once you are frying this, be stirring, okay? You don't allow this to get burned. So once you are stirring, it's going to come out perfect like this. Now we are going to be adding is cow meat. Over here, we have already cooked cow meat. I just add that. Next is to add in is the chicken stock. I pour in the chicken stock and then stir together. So I'm going to allow this cow meat to cook again for 10 minutes before I proceed. 10 minutes later, see how gorgeous that look. Oh my goodness, it was scenting so perfect. I love the fact that I use chicken stock for the replacement of water. It made this stew to look so perfect. Now I'm going to be adding the chicken. So this chicken is coming last because we have already cooked the chicken for 90%, and now we are just going to allow the chicken to get simmer with the stew for 100% like this. At this point, this stew done. So my people, you don't need to fry your chicken. Just follow this process to make this chicken stew like you are going to eat this food as if wetin dey happen for here. It was so delicious. Like it was so milky. Like it's sweeting so perfect. See how gorgeous that look. So guys, we are going to enjoy this with white rice. See, and now, so this is already cooked white rice. I just have to dish out for us to enjoy. All you need to do is to share this video, guys. Share for others to see. especially this season of celebration. You need to try this recipe for your family. Trust me, everyone that eat this with you is going to appreciate you. This stew was so giving, like it was just so on point. Look at that now. Follow this process to make your chicken stew. You don't need to fry your chicken, just get this done like this. First of all, cook it the same way I cook mine. You are going to eat as if wetin dey happen for here. It's sweet so perfect. All you need to do is to share, follow this process, and then you are going to love this recipe. In my next one, bye.